I really love to stay in this environment when outside is so hot. People usually, my friends usually go to the beach and make many queue with the car and struggle to find some place to park, and after that they will have a wonderful day sweating under the sun. Well, it's okay, but for me this is much better. That's good that we are not all the same. During the summer, I really like when the green grows all around. Today, to make the coffee, we will use just victorinox. I want you guys that are not very used with this activity, that you guys that are starting this new activity of bushcraft, I want you to know that in summer, for me, all you need is a small knife. Even better if it's a victorinox or something like that, with a knife and eventually a good magnifier lens. Even a small lens can make the difference, and you don't need anything else. The big knives in summer for me are not very important unless you have to build a shelter or make some woodwork. But in that case, I will really suggest to use a small axe like the outdoor model instead of the knife. It's quicker and much more efficient. These vines here were killing all these trees around, so I've cut them with a good deal of effort, and I've taken them away from the trees. It's a disease from the trees, and now I take the vines, some piece at the time of these vines with me, so I will use them to start the fire later. You can put them under the sun to dry even more, and as you will see, they are perfect to start the fire. And also, as you can see, you can use them to wrap around logs to make a tripod or chairs, bushcraft chairs. Anyway, you can use them as a cord. My precious water source, exactly where I left it. In this season, guys, you really need a water source. Even when you don't have it, like in this case, it's really better to find some way to take the water where you have the fire camp. can take a piece of this vine here, and with the knife just cut like this. And then to have a fine material that easily catch fire. This is enough. We put it inside like this. Okay. Now I just put some sticks on it. Cheers, guys. As you guys have seen, guys, for me in summer, a small knife like this is all you need to start a fire, and to make small woodworks that you need around the fire, like a pot hanger or little stuff made in wood that you can need around the fire. In winter is a totally different situation. Anyway, as I always say, that the best thing to have around is a good axe.